Hello beautiful family, most welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing wonderfully well. In today's video we are going to do a simple and a slimy okra stew. So for my list of ingredients, I have in okra, ayoyo leaves, beef, Wheley, fresh fish, fresh pork, tomatoes, palm oil, onions, spices of your choice, powdered pepper, and some fermented fish. So I'll go ahead and grate my okra. You can cut it or blend it if you like it, but I really want the slimy in the okra, so I'll grate it so that I'll really get the slimy in it. You can blend it if you want. I'll go ahead and prep my ayoyo leaves. You can use kontomire or spinach leaves if you want. It works perfectly fine as well. So in a clean pot, add in your okra, your ayoyo leaves, onions, fish powder, 3 cups of water. Cover it up and bring it to a boil for at least 10 minutes. It's been 5 minutes of cooking this okra and you can see it's already slimy, but I'll go ahead and add in half tablespoon of baking soda. It's really helps it to become very slimy. You can add it or not, choose not to do it. Cover it and cook it for additional 5 minutes. So in a clean pot, I'll add in my Wheley, my fresh salmon or fresh fish, my beef, my fresh pork, seasoning of your choice, onions, all-purpose seasoning, and a salt. Add in 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil for at least 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes of cooking this meat and fish and it has really cooked perfectly fine. So in a clean pot, I'll add in my palm oil, fermented fish, my chopped onions and tomatoes, blended pepper. Stir gently and steam for at least 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes of cooking this sauce, so I'll go ahead and add in my spices. That is the all-purpose seasoning, hunger seasoning powder, and a salty taste. Stir and leave it to cook for additional 2 minutes and add in your meat. Always make sure you don't add in too much water when cooking your fish and meat, because we don't want to waste the water at all, not at all, yeah, because we want our stew or our sauce to taste very fine. So we will add everything, leave it to cook for at least 5 minutes, and add in our okra. So our okra stew is ready, nicely done and palatable as well. Enjoy this okra stew with a soft banku. But before I'll enjoy this okra with my banku, please subscribe to my channel and let's grow this channel beautifully. Thank you for watching today's video, and click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you and stay safe.